Aloha, I'm Hugh from UGo Mobility, and I'm going to give you a refresher course on how to take this apart and put it together again. So, first thing, you want to take the basket off first. There's a little lever in the front, you push the lever and just pull it on the basket. I always come around to the rear when I take the seat off, and the reason I do that is because I'm right over the post, and I'm using my legs, not my back, to get the seat off. So what you want to do is you want to bend your legs, you want to pull the lever that turns the seat, and then just stand straight up. It'll come right off. Okay? Next, the battery comes out. It's the heaviest part. You want to pull straight up on the battery, and it comes out, just Velcroed in. Now the front end comes off the rear end, and there's a latch right here. And there's usually a minivan there. And you pull up on the latch, you pull straight up, and it comes right off. Then you take the front end and you turn this lever right here, and it allows you to roll the handle down. Now you can put it into a car or whatever you need to do. When you put this together, I always put the handle up first so I have something to grab onto. And if you'll notice, there's two hooks right there. Those two hooks fit on the bar that goes on the rear end. So all you do is hook the two hooks onto the bar on the back, and it'll snap into place. And I'm going to do that again. So the two hooks, okay, just fit right on that bar, and it pops into place. All right. Now what I usually will do is put the battery back in after this point, and it just fits in the tray. There's a tray right there, and it snaps right into place. Now when I put the seat on, what happens is most people try to put the seat on this way. The problem is it's hard to find the hole. So what you want to do is you want to turn it around so that you can see the hole, lay the knob on the hole, and then just let gravity do the work. It'll pop into place, and now you can move the seat around. So that's how to take the scooter apart and put it back together again. And enjoy your day.